All right, so it is Friday morning. We had already had the news, so there was a lot of volatility, as you can see here. I believe this was a manipulation down to fill this fair value gap that I noted yesterday, to take out that sell side liquidity that I noted yesterday as well. So I believe today price is going to bounce from here and try to rebalance these inefficiencies. I'm just assuming that price will come up here, rebalance this inefficiency here, and come back down to rebalance this inefficiency on the weekly leg. All right, so today I'm going to be bullish, even though the daily candles show that we're bearish, we're trending down, but there's a lot of inefficiency here. So price moves from external liquidity to internal liquidity, right? So we're gonna see where price goes from here, but I think we're gonna be headed up. Reason why is that there's a huge order block here, which also makes this a breaker. So this is a great setup for a unicorn. Right, there's a FEG here, a fair value gap. And if we take the fib from here to here, this is actually in an optimal trade entry zone. All right, so with this order block, this fair value gap, this market structure shift, and this rebalancing, this inefficiency here, this fair value gap, and taking out sell side here, there's a very, very high chance that we'll see price come back here in the next few days to send price down lower. Entered this trade earlier over here because I saw it wicking into this imbalance, the 1 minute candle, and using 830 as support. My take profit is going to be at a little below London high. I don't like how price is wicking up into this area and rejecting, so I might just take profits here. I'm going to see what price does. So far it's holding, but I'm going to move my stop up into this area here, but I feel like I'm going to get stopped out. I don't want to lose money on this position right now. My P&L is at 304. That's including this 30 tick, so we'll see. I like how price is respecting that fair value gap, so I think we're good. I don't think price should come back down here. If it does, then we're going to go down to the downside, but so far position is looking good. We should see an acceleration up. I think at 9:30 open it's going to continue pumping. Let's see on the 15-minute time frame. Oh yeah, there's a lot of liquidity there. We might be shifting into a market maker buy model starting next week, but we will see. All right, this is good enough. I'm taking profits. Bang! 9:30 open. As I expected, price is pumping. Prices already took out Asia high for NQ, so what do we do now? We kind of just wait. We wait for another opportunity to buy. There's relative equal highs here, previous day high here. I'm going to be targeting this area. That's a huge pool of liquidity. Let's see. All right, so manipulation started here. Price is ranging to the 2 fib area. So if you remember from my video from yesterday, I briefly stated that price normally heads up into this area, and if price retraces from the 2 fib back down, that'll be a great entry to take price back up to the 4 fib level. The 4 fib level seems really high at this time, but anything is possible. Okay, I mean, there are some huge liquidity pools here, but for the market to pump 300 points today is highly unlikely. I mean, anything is possible, but it's unlikely. I'm going to be targeting previous day high. I think price will retrace from here, give us an entry so that we can pump it into this area. All right, entered this trade here because I saw it bounce off the order block. I am I'm not really liking this price action. I think I kind of jumped the gun, but we will see what price does. Entry could have been a lot better, but it's alright. I put my sell limit at the 2 fib level that you saw previously from when I drew it. So I didn't want a lot of the lines there, but I'll draw it in. So that's where I put my take profit. Actually, I put my take profit at 520. Maybe I should just bring it down a little bit. Yeah, just in case it decides not to hit that area. But there is a pool of liquidity there, a little above, which is previous lunch high. It could target that area, but I'm not gonna take that chance. I just want to take profits when I see it. This is a little concerning here. This fair value gap is being respected at the moment on the 1 minute candle. So we'll see. We'll see if this is a losing trade or not. If I don't like price action, I'll close it early, but we'll see. I forgot that there's 10 a.m. news. I need to get out of this position. So let's see. What will price do? Will it come back up to give me some more? Because I don't want to be holding. There we go. Bang! Closing out the day at 10:52 a.m. I am no longer trading. I did 1.2K for the day, 66% win rate. I only took 6 trades, which is great. Today is a great day. This is a day that I would like to replicate. Only taking very high quality trades, keeping my losses minimal. As you can see, I took 1 loss at 8:34. I was actually mobile, stuck at a stoplight. I entered and my stop was too short, and then it basically stopped me out. But then I retook that trade right after, literally like 8 seconds later, and took that win. Then came home. I took a couple other trades here that was not documented because I was on a call, but I took 1 loss at 126 and made that back for a total profit of 188.30. Helped me close out the day at 1.2. The trade plan went great. My bias was correct, and this was basically a very good day. So this is the monthly overview so far on that account, 150K eval account. We're at 3,700 for the week, 3 days of trading, which is really good. I'm looking forward to next week. Hopefully we'll be funded next week if this trend continues. But I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to rush anything. And again, with this account, I need $9,000 to get funded. So let's get it.